Hey guys, it's Donnie again, and here we go with part 2 of the Cyber Monday Black Friday unboxings from Diamond Art Club. This is number 2. This one is called Evening Light by Jeremiah Ketner, and this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it has some beautiful purple colors in it, and I'm excited to see those because that is my favorite color. It is square, and it is a 56 by 74 centimeters with one AB color. This one goes for $54.99, and I have heard this, or I do believe I've gotten something from this artist before. If not, I think it rings a bell for another reason, but I'm gonna have to, do some studying up on that before I say for sure why the name sounds familiar. But yeah, I may have already unboxed something from him in the past. And let's get this baby unboxed. If you want to know all the information about the beautiful canvas and why it feels like a blanket and what comes in the toolkits, you can catch all that information in my part 1, which you can find up here in the eye that pop. Why can't I find it? There we go. The eye will pop up. I am not getting it. Up there, right there in the corner. And that's where the eye will pop up, and you can click that and it'll give you the link to my previous video that shows you all the information about what's in this kit, what's inside here, and this is why I was having problems finding the corner. So yeah, the eye is, anyway, it's up in the right hand corner. This is here is our inventory sheet, and you can see this image, how beautiful it is, how purple it is. Plus it's got kitties. So 2 of my favorite things, purple and kitties. And actually this has 2 ABs. I don't know why it said 1, but it has 2 ABs. Number 1 and 2, because they're both below number 50. So we have an orange color and a blue. And it looks like I'm still out of focus. Hopefully that doesn't last. All right, let's look at the canvas. And here's my little sticker. I gotta put it in my book real quick. Keep my book updated. Love that. I love, love, love the stickers. Okay. This one starts at the bottom as well. So we will start at the bottom and go up. So 1 and 2. Oh my goodness. There's a lot of number 2 here in the dress. There's not a lot of dress showing in this image, but you can see this main color right here. That's AB. So it's throughout all over this blue area. All the way down to the very first row, you've got lots of blues. And look at that cute kitty. I love her hair, how blue and purple it is. Oh, now I got the hiccups. So you get a lot of color confetti going on here in the background. It's kind of different. I mean, look at it. It's got a lot of blending going on because there's a lot of different colors right there in that corner of the background. And I'm not sure how well that translates here in the with them charting it. It looks a bit different, but you know what, trust the process. I'm sure it'll look great. It's over here as well, but that's a lot of confetti because of all those little colors there in that background. So yeah, this background is not a solid background whatsoever for color blocking, but there's a lot of color blocking throughout the rest of the image. And that's one of the things that I really like about their hand charting, because it is hand charted. It gives you the best of both worlds. If you like confetti, you're going to get it, but you're going to get it in a little blocks sometimes. And if you like color blocking, you basically have it everywhere, because it's rare to find one single color by itself in an entire area. There is always seems to be at least, a couple. And multi-placers, if you like to use them, you're going to get a chance no matter what. And so let's see, I'm trying to find number one. Okay, one, these stars are going to be AB. Well, the darker one, like this one. And, oh, these kitties are so cute. I love this color. She's really got a pinkish face. It's kind of got a purple glow to it. And you're going to get a lot more ABs in her hair. That number 2 is going to be a huge bag of blues. And let's see if we can find any more. Yeah, so the stars, it seems, on this side have the AB colors. And we've got... These aren't, but these are freckles, though. So that's a little different than the stars, but that might be something. I might put a sparkler where those are. Her eyebrows are a different color than her freckles. I was going to say the same, but I wouldn't do that. That would kind of make it look weird, I think, putting ABs or sparklers in the eyebrows. But it's really easy to tell what's going to be AB. It's these darker stars here, and all throughout her hair where there's blue, down in her dress where it's blue. I don't see any in the background, any of the 2s or the 1s. But let's see, how about this flower in her hair? Yeah, the outline or the inline is done in ABs, so there's ones all throughout the whole thing going like this way, and this flower on the inside too, that petal right there in the middle. So that's inlined in AB, and then this part, all of these pieces, each petal is inlined in AB, including that one. And then these darker stars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big stars with AB, and then all of this beautiful, beautiful blue and purple hair has ABs all over it. I mean, it's almost looks like it's the main color, but there's so many different shades of blue in here. It's not the main color. In fact, over here on this side, I'm not actually seeing the AB on this side, because, yeah, it's, okay, there's a little bit down here, down towards the bottom of her hair, but look at that image. Oh, she's got a lot of hair. Yeah, there's a little bit of blue. Okay, wait, I'm seeing it more. Then you get more here. It's just there's so many different shades, it's kind of hard to catch them all. Yeah, okay, there's more up here too. So yeah, there is quite a bit actually over on this side. It's just hard to pinpoint it at first glance. But over here, I definitely can see it looks like there's a lot more on this side than there is on this side. And then the dress has quite a bit as well. And yeah, I'm not seeing, the background has a lot of blues. And you can see how confetti the background is. It goes throughout the whole thing. It's really got a lot of colors going on. And this may have been one of the harder ones to hand chart because of this background. I mean, you can see in the picture here that it's not just a solid color. There's a lot of different colors going on. So there we go with her 51 colors. My thing says, yeah, 51 with 1 AB, but it is 2. It definitely is 2 out of the 51 are AB colors. So let's pull out the drills and see what we got. Okay, yeah, these are the ones with the silver stripes, and I'm not sure if they just have 2 different distributors for drills. because sometimes they have that silver stripe on them and sometimes they don't. Okay. Let's see. I try to get them right side up so I can see the number, but then I open it and it's upside down. Go figure. I don't know, this one, okay. Let's zoom you in so you can see them up close. We have, okay. Move them out of the way so we can get to them. And let's start here with the bag of small stuff. Except we have a single bag of beautiful, beautiful 996. Love that color. And here we are with our little colors. I'll just show you so we can go through it. And there's our black, brown, brown, black. So yeah, there's lots of little bitty colors, little bits of colors in this one. Lots of purples, like I'm super happy about. And more magenta, beautiful, 917. More purples. Quite a bit of browns, and I do believe that's for the background. Try and get out of view so we can concentrate on just one at a time here, so it's not getting the focus. All right, here's our orange for our stars and the flower. I think that there would be more though, but it's probably enough. If not, you've got your guarantee, your warranty, which they will send you more if it's not. That's why I'm never worried about doing inventory or counting, because of their warranty. I have faith that even if I run out, they will get them to me, and they are really quick about it too. Oh, that's a pretty baby pink. Another beautiful yellow. And here we got more purples. And there's my favorite right there, 550. And that's all the black there is. I don't see any other bags. I could be surprised, but it looks to me like this is the only small bag. It's a not very big of black. 2 of the 798. 823 has 2 bags. And 797 has 2 bags. Beautiful color. And there's another beautiful purple. And lastly, we have this one. More purple. Yay. And there's 2 bags of that one. Blue. And more. Let's see. We have 2 bags of this pink. 939, which is, it's a really dark, it's navy blue, but it looks black, but it is not. It is actually blue. And there's another beautiful, beautiful blue, 796. And we have 2 bags of that. Oh, I love these colors. 2 bags of that green. 2 bags of the beautiful 820. Oh my gosh, look how pretty these drills are. And here's our AB, bag of AB. Okay, see, it's out of focus. You can see this bag here on the right looks, you can see that extra sparkle on it compared to the one right next to it. This one has the AB coating. Look at that. Look at that sparkle. So let's get back into focus, and more purples and more pinks. Oh, this is going to be so... Come on, focus. There we go. This is going to be so fun to do with all these purples, pinks, and blues, because those are my #1 colors. All 3 of them. So there we go with Evening Light by Jeremiah Ketner, and keep watching my next video and you will be able to see the third and final Cyber Monday / Black Friday diamond painting that I have to show you. So keep on watching. I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up. See you guys in a few minutes. Bye.